What's up, broskies? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Gilbert. What's up, guys? It's Gilbert once again with Ratchet Rice Rockets, hitting you up with a little repair for the Integra. I know y'all were kind of tired of it, but it's something I've been dealing with for a little minute. Don't do that, baby. I've been dealing with this for a minute, and it is the dreaded handle, the broken handle. As you see, it's unlocked. It's unlocked, but if you don't pull it hard enough, like right there's all the way up, and it doesn't unlock. I mean, it doesn't open. You gotta kind of do this number. So it's probably some adjusting in here, but these are kind of expensive on eBay. They're like 70, 80 bucks all day is those handles, but I've scored one in a junkyard for like $8. Just get in the business of finding all these door handles and selling them on eBay. But before I could take that guy out, I need to get this key cylinder assembly out, because my key's not going to work with it. So let's get this little C-clip off. Put that aside. Now this comes out. No, I'm just using a screw. I think I'm doing it right. Yeah. Try this guy out. Now this should pop out. Bam. And then we'll be getting rid of this. And then when we get that one out of the car, we'll just slide the new one in. But I gotta paint this, so I'm gonna paint it off camera. So while I'm waiting for that paint to dry on the handles, we're gonna go ahead and take apart the door panel. So for the most part, it's just 10 mils. I mean, 10 mils. Well, for the handle, yes, but for this, it's just Phillips heads. That one behind a little trap door there.
Dad, we're having
Okay, baby. And then another one right in here. And I think that's it. Yeah, that pops out. And then you just pry this off. Throw this guy forward, unplug this. You're also gonna have another one for the speaker. Oh man, that's what I should have picked up at the junkyard. Hey. So I got another clip here. I'm fixing this. Unplug this guy. So you're gonna have to pop this guy out. And now you got a 10 mil in there. No. A 10 mil in here. So let's go. And then you have another 10 mil. You have another 10 mil right here. Another way would be just to disconnect these, but since I'm not gonna use those, I'm just gonna cut it. You feel me? I'm gonna cut that. I already have one on the other already have one on the other door handle, so I'm just gonna cut it so I can get it out easier, and then I'll just bolt the new one in and just kind of route it through there best way that I can without interfering with the window track. But okay, so you get this guy, flathead, right in there. Okay, that came off. All right, so now that we got that off, all we gotta do is take it out. So good. Of course, I got the cut harness here, which we're gonna replace with a new one from the old, from the new old one. So once again, we got to get this little guy out. Pokes out here. Oops, I got myself with a screwdriver. Get this guy completely out. Oh yeah, we gotta get this little guy.
They're dead?
Yeah, baby, they're dead.
What happened to them?
I don't know, baby. They didn't go to the doctor and they got sick. Pull this guy out. Voila. So this is the one we need. Alright, so I painted it. I didn't paint the back. You don't really need to. I don't have any white paint, so screw it. I'm just gonna sand it with the primer. It only goes in there one way. It's one of these. See that the little square right here? That's super wide. And you got this little thin one. Well, here you got a wide one and then a little thin one. So it only go in one way. It's supposed to go further down. Yeah, there we go. Now, put the pin in there. All the way through. See it right there? So that's not going to pop out. All right. Guess I'm just gonna shove it in there and see how it goes. Before I do anything, I'm gonna put these bolts back in. Just gotta jab that one back in there. This one's the real one, so you gotta be careful with this one. Not to break it, because oh, that was easy. That's it. Let's see. I adjusted it. A little rod. I spun it a few times. Oh no. Maybe I should have adjusted it up. Oh yeah, I got adjusted up. Because I just increased, by spinning it down, I just increased the throw, the lack of throw. So I had spun it down, which that shortened the throw. So I spun it 3 times back up and an additional 3. Let's see if it opens up easier. Oh yes. Every time. Remember at the beginning of the video, I had to push on it to open it, but now it's because that's how I broke it the first time, because I wasn't able to open it, so I pulled real hard and I broke it. Nice. I don't know, might not seem like nothing to y'all guys watching, but to me, I've been having issues with it, and that's why it broke. So now the last thing to do, well, besides, I need to reconnect the automatic unlock. That just kind of slips in through here. All right, and then this guy. Which this one is all zip tied. I mean, it's not zip tied, but it's routed through the back, and then it comes around. I'm gonna leave the original one in there. So I don't. It's a pain in the butt to get out. Alright, I'm gonna use a key. I'm unlocking it over here, and it's locking it over there, and it's unlocking it, locking it, unlocking it. So we know that works. Don't forget to put on your clips. Alright guys, well, this is gonna wrap it up on the door handle installation on the Acura Integra. We got it all back together. Everything's functioning the way it should. So, if this video helped out in y'all's journey on replacing one of these door handles, or even adjusting the linkage on there to open up the door handle any better, don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped you out in any way. I sincerely appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll have some more content coming on the Integra. Like always, you know, it is a shit box, so I gotta make it look good. Gotta take care of it, update it any which way I can. So yeah, this is gonna do it for this episode. My name's Gilbert once again with Ratchet Rice Rockets. I'll see you on the next one.